Clareo Concierge is our one-of-a-kind program that helps homeowners make their homes sale ready. This beautiful home was gorgeous to start with, but for today's modern buyer, they were looking for more updated, bright and light and airy colors. So what we did was help them choose new granite and a two-tone combination for the beautiful wood cabinets. Additionally, new light fixtures, knobs and handles, made just the right touch to improve the overall look at this house without really changing anything. The right lighting, staging, and artwork can make all the difference in the world in how the online viewing public perceives your home. Your home has a story to tell. What we do with our Clareo Concierge program is put together the pieces, staging, proper lighting, minor updates, whatever it takes to make sure that the story of your home gets told for today's modern buyer so you can take the next step in your journey. There's no cost or obligation to have a complimentary home valuation session. We're glad to help prepare a current market value for your home and maybe give you a list of updates that might be helpful in the future if you consider selling. I'm Deborah Morton with Clareo Real Estate, and I want to create a clear path to success in real estate for you.